Hey, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to give you a closer look at the Lang thread repair kits. The reason I want to talk about these Lang Tools thread repair kits are because they're something I use almost every day in the shop. They're really handy to have because anytime you run into a fastener that binds up or is hard to start or anything in between there, or if you're doing an engine rebuild, maybe you have corrosion on your fasteners or some thread lock you need to clean out, that's what these tools are designed to do. They're different than a typical tap and die. Your standard tap and die are for cutting new threads, and they're going to take more material than these. These take little to none away, and they're just going to clean up the threads and make everything go together smooth and allow you to get the correct torque on the fasteners. So what we have right here is a YZ250 cylinder, and I'm going to show you how to use these tools on this cylinder. The first thing I'm going to show you is the tap, and anytime you're rebuilding an engine, you're definitely going to want to chase all of the threads, whether it's on your cylinder or the case halves, and all you have to do is lube these threads on the tap. We have some light penetrating oil, and then we're going to start threading this in by hand. If you run into some threads that are slightly damaged, if you want to clean them up, you can use a wrench on this and work it back and forth until it gets easy. And we're just going to go all the way in with this and back it out, and we'll spray everything off with some contact cleaner and then do the rest of the threads. Now, the other thing I want to point out, the end of this tap, this thing is flat, and that way if you have a closed end, this can go all the way down in there and get everything cleaned up. Now, to clean up the bolts, you're just going to take the die and apply some lube to that. And you're going to use it the same way as the tap. Just thread that on there, and if it gets tough, you can put a wrench on it. That's just going to clean any grime away, or if you have any damaged threads, it'll straighten those out. And then again, we'll just clean those up. Next up, we have the thread file, and this is going to work for the odd size fasteners that maybe you don't have a die in the kit that fits it. And all you need to do is match up your thread pitch, whether it's metric or SAE. So this is a 1.25 thread pitch. Say we had a couple of damaged threads right there. You'd want to line this up and then overlap a couple of good threads with the damaged ones. And you're just going to use it like a regular file. You can work those damaged parts out, and you can do the same thing if it has some grime in there that you need to clean up. This will help you get it out. Now, these thread repair kits come in both SAE and metric sizes. Now, this metric kit comes with stuff to repair both fine and coarse threads, but you're going to have to get the thread file separate, where this metric kit comes with the thread file. And if you're mostly just working on dirt bikes, this is what you're going to need. The last thing I want to point out is all there is to choosing the correct thread chaser is you match up the diameter and thread pitch to whichever fastener you're trying to clean up. And that's all there is to it. These Lang Tools thread repair kits are affordable. If you're doing any of your own work, I highly recommend having one of these kits in your garage. You can find these on our website, and for more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.